Okay. Okay, this is the easiest question as per Sophia's request. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Ready!
Okay. Okay, please introduce yourself. One who is wearing the hair clip.
I'm Sophia Lopez.
Next.
I'm Camille.
Okay.
I'm Rosalita.
Okay, so your girls ready?
Yeah!
Okay, first question. What's the name of the baby of the pig?
Piglet!
Okay, Sophia got it right. Next question. This is very easy. What's the name of the baby of the dog?
Puppy!
Okay, puppy. Mel, listen, Mel. Listen ha, kay ganahan makaani nga question no. Oh, okay. What's the name of the baby of the cat?
Kitten! Kitten!
Okay, Camille got it right. Okay, and Yang Yang too. Okay, what's the name of the baby of the kangaroo?
Joey!
Okay, Joey. You got it right again, Sophia. Okay, what's the name of the baby of Ate Yashel?
Camille!
Ah, very good. Camille. What's the name of the baby of Mama Nalin?
Me!
Where are you? And what's the name of the baby of Ate Iban?
Rosalita!
Ah, very good. Okay. Palakpakan. O sige, kanang Tagalog na punta. Hulay sa Tagalog.
Not me.
Oh, Camille likes Camille. Okay, okay. This is your challenge, Sophia. Camille loves Tagalog. And Rosalita too. Tagalog, Rose? Okay. Ano ang pangalan ng anak ng baboy? Ano, Rose?
Pig.
Pangalan ng... Oh, biek. Yehey!
Ano na lang English o Tagalog?
Rosalita likes Tagalog.
English ako nga. Tagalog ako.
Ah, okay. English half and Tagalog half. Okay. As per...
Kami na lang English niya. Ikaw Tagalog.
ako'y magtagalog dayon kamoy mo in English. Nga na, okay ra ka, Rose. Kay di man siya mosugot, Rose. Ayaw ni Sofia ng magtagalog. O sige, magtagalog ko dayon kamo mo translate og English. Okay ra, Mel. Okay ra ka, Mel, Tagalog i-translate og English. Example. Oh, example ha, Tagalog then translate to English. Bata.
Kid.
Oh, nga na. Okay ra ka, anak. Okay ra ka, anak, Mel. Okay ra ka, Rose. Sige, bulaklak.
Flower.
Imuha, sakto ag kang Rosalita is flower. And you, Sophia, you are check also because variety of flower is rose. Okay, check gihapon. Okay, next question. Bahay.
House.
Okay, check. Everybody check. Kane. Gatas.
Milk.
Very good. Who is the fastest will be the winner. Okay ha? Okay, kuan pa to sample. Next. Saging.
Banana.
Okay, correct. Kane. Nanay.
Grandma. Mommy.
Mommy. Nanay is mommy. Grandma is Lola. Okay, next question. What's your nanay, Mel? What's English in nanay? Mommy or mother? Okay, balik. Next. Kane. Paminaw, Sophia. Tatay.
Father. Daddy.
Oh, father, daddy. Check Rosalita. Father. Check Rosalita. Father, daddy. Ano? Okay, Mel. Lesson, Mel. Oh, next question. Tagalog to English, Sophia.
English gani ko, mama.
Oh, gani. Okay. Okay. Pastor. Make your mind smart. Eyes. Ay, wrong. Tagalog to English. Mata. Paspas. Pinapaspas. Ilong.
Nose.
Oh, karabaw. Carabao. Sakto, Camille. Very good si Camille. Kani, this is a hard question.
Ayaw na. Hard.
Ha? Hard? You like hard? Okay, Camille like hard. Okay, this...
Ko ay magto.
Oh, hard ha? Hard question. Kani.
Hindi ko ay magto, ma.
Kani, lul, kung ano siya?
Kani man gud si.
Pira.
Mani.
Oh, ka-answer man lagi ka.
Anarang hindi ra gud.
Sige, easy question. This is a kind of fruit. Tagalog fruit, then you translate to English.
Versus.
Versus? What's versus?
S unya V.
So V?
Versus. V.
Versus. Okay. Versus. Okay. From, this is a kind of fruit ha, from Tagalog, then translate it to English. Okay.
Versus lagi.
Versus English. Okay. Sophia, lesson Sophia. Pinya.
Pinya.
In English. What's English in pinya? Okay, I give you a clue. Pine.
Apple.
Huh?
Pineapple.
Okay. Manga.
Mango.
Oh, sakto. Very good. Sakto ka. Sakto. Check Sophia, check Camille, check Rosalita. Dali lang. Limoncito.
Lemon.
Very good. Saging.
Banana.
Very good. Buko.
Coconut.
Oh, check. Okay. Kane. Tablia. Kakao. Unsa lang? Oh, pwede. Ang tablia kakao. Oh, pwede. Pwede Ramilo. People. Okay, from Tagalog to English. Ate.
Sister.
Kuya.
Brother.
Oh, sakto. Nanay.
Mommy.
Oh, pwede. Mami, sakto Rosalita. Tatay.
Daddy.
Pwede, father. Okay. Lolo.
Grandma.
Very good. Lula.
Grandma.
Oh, sakto. Tiya.
Auntie.
Oy, very good. Ante, sakto Rose.
Ako po.
Sakto Sophia. Very good. Okay, let's move to another question. Ingon bitaw kong sakto.
Sige lang magtawag ko Rose.
Hala, nabungol ko. Waka, ikaw may nabungol.
Wala kanina nagduha mo sakto.
Ano ko? Lain na po. Who can sing who can sing the movie Frozen?
Me.
You three can sing the Frozen? Okay, sing it first, Sophia.
Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Here I stay when I'm done, like the storage dry. No one will bother me anyway.
Yay! Okay, next, Camille. Let it go, Camille. Okay, pass. Rosalita. Di ka kabaw daw, Frozen? Who can sing the... Ha? Who can sing the movie Moana?
Ako, me!
Okay, Camille. Sing it first, Mel. Sing it first. Unsa the first? Yeah? Okay, Camille. Sing the song. Who can sing the Bayang Magiliw?
Mini!
Okay, Camille. Sing a song.
Bayang magilaw.
Again. Who can sing The Bayang Magiliw? Okay, sing it.
Bayang magiliw, malalaspitan, awang ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hirap.
Duyan ka ng...
Ang magiting sa maglulupig, hindi na sisingit,
Okay, next. Who can sing The Bayang Magiliw? Sing it, Camille. Sige na, Mel. Katuray, magikanta ganina, Mel. Samto, doy mo, Mel. Sige na, Mel. Sige na.
Ito monkey, rabot na.
Si Kwanza, sige. Who can sing The Five Little Monkeys? Oh, Camille first. Camille, sing it, Camille.
Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty, come to the doctor and the doctor said, "Here took the frog nap at ako na kayo, dahil sa mga putang nilang kwento kayo, ay wala nilang tutawin."
Action nilang. Meow. Oh, ikaw. Who can sing?
Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty.
Action.
Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said,
Action.
bilang yung tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Ang una nakapon, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a toto, be a twinkle star. How di Carabao, di matoten. Meow.
Ikaw, Ros. Ikaw, Ros. Ikaw, Ros. Yun na. Dungan mo tulo. Okay. Ayaw sa ingana, Mel. Kay dungan mo tulo, Mel. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty.
Action, action.
Mama,
Ali, tindog mo, tindog. Be, tindog. Go.
five little monkey, Humpty Dumpty.
Pas, pas.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, bilang yung tatlo
Nakatago na kayo.
na nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a toto, be a twinkle star. How di Carabao, di batoten.
Meow. Yay! Clap, 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 clap.
I'm Sophia. I'm Kamel. I'm Salita. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.